My 2019 stash video, 4th of July. Got 3 boxes of the Zombie Hunters blue cans. I got 4 boxes of the Frog Balls. I got some Neon Widows, some more Neon Widows, some leftover Black Widows from last year, the Big Thumper, some little tiny Matadors, some little Loud Mighties, those are left over, some Maddoxes, these are little cheap Shelton shells. That's about it for my shells. I don't have a huge stash this year. Got 3 Light Up Your Nights made by Clown. I got 2 Big and Bads made by Universal. And I got a 1 Bad Daddy left over made from Universal. I got 2 Zombie Tsunamis left over. I'm gonna let off on the 4th, made by Clown. Got this Midnight Color. This is an old one. And then got the Big Dog 100 shot Super Thunder King. Them are all my cakes. It's gonna be a pretty good night. All right, I got a whole case of Thunder Kings. Got the 3 different kinds. They're all the same thing though. Got the Sammy's Best. I think I got some more packs of those somewhere. Got the Kylan Kings. Got the Brown Thunder Kings. I think there's like 72 packs in a case. We got a little more than that, I think, but we're gonna give them hell. By the time you see this video, all this will be let off. I got 2 packs of multiple rocket. There's some really good rockets. Probably the loudest you could get. One of them at least. Got a 200 shot. Got a 200 shot Saturn missile. Some little odds and ends. I got 3 double lantern salutes left. I got 3 Moroccan Madness left. We're gonna let off. I got this strip of called Celebration Crackers. They're like big giant ass firecrackers. They make a damn mess, but they're loud. They're pretty crazy. So Celebration Crackers. Alright, this is all the firecrackers I'm gonna be letting off on the 4th. Got a pack of the Mega Demons. They're huge. Size 8. Most of this shit here is from Poland. Got these things. All kinds of goodies in here. Groms, Thunder Kings, Gorilla Bombs, FP3s, hammers, jumbo dynamites, doom booms, some adrenalines. I mean, there's tons of this shit. Color salutes. This is some more Polish shit. It's a doom boom 2G, some doom boom 5Gs, black olives, whatever you want to call them. Vipers, those are real nice. There's some M80s and a cherry bomb. Thanks to the Hazel Eye Devil. This is Chinese. These are, I think these are, they might be Chinese, I don't know. They call them torpedoes or something like that. Of course, you know what these are. Big dog, here's one out of the box. Ground bloom flowers, pack of crazy robots, pack of angry elves. some, what are they? King crackers. Or Crazy Kings. Some Crazy Kings. Another pack of Crazy Robots. Whole bunch of mixed Chinese shit. And then there's a box of firecrackers for the, you know, just little tiny crackers. Gonna smell some gunpowder. It's gonna be in the air. Here's a bunch of random small shit. Little fountains. Little kid shit. Jumping jacks. Snap pops. Dancing stars. Boxes of whistling air riders. Little bottle rockets. More fountains. This thing screams, I believe. It's pretty cool. There's some more bottle rockets. Just some random shit. Packs of firecrackers, ladyfingers. These cool little Saturn missiles. 25 shots. And I forgot, these a couple Meet Mr. Biggs left. They're pretty good shells. They're from Shelton. These ain't nothing special. I mean, they're the best Shelton has to offer. But them other shells you've seen, you know what they do. You know what they're about. These rockets are cool. They screech and whistle really loud. I think that's about it. I'm sure I got some other stuff somewhere. I'll get it out. Or I think I'm gonna wrap up this video though. By the time you see this, all this shit will be gone. Keep that in mind if you're following my videos. Have a good 4th of July. Be safe. Fuck shit up.